Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all a fresh classic Softglam makeup tutorial, so please keep on watching. I'm going to start with my moisturizer. So I'm going to be going ahead to apply. So I'm applying my blush right here. So I'm going to be going ahead to highlight my face, and I'm using a foundation. I'm going to go ahead and mix my moisturizer with that to be shared out. Go ahead and apply that. See? I'm going to be going ahead to do my brows. I'm making use of Brow Tamer by TM Essentials. I'm not going to define my brows. I'm going to fill in. So this is what I'm going to be doing to my brows. Basically, I'm not going to be using a concealer. So I'm going to be going ahead to use this contour palette from Classic. I'm picking this shade here. I'll start from the beginning of my brows. I'll work it towards the side of my nose. So I'm going to go into this shade. This is deeper than this one. So I'm using this to define my crease with a precise pencil blending brush. Just going to locate where my crease is and define that bit. Concealer, and this concealer is from ZK Cosmetics. This is Sexy Blackie. I'm going to allow this to dry down and blend it out. While that is drying down, I'm going to go ahead and make use of my brow gel, my waterline. So lately I enjoy using brown gel eyeliner as my waterline. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out the concealer. So I'm still going to go back and add more to really bring out the lashes. So what I'm going to be doing next is to go ahead and fix individual lashes. But this is what I have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 12. But I'm just going to work as my spirit leads me. So I'm wetting my tweezers with a baby wipes. This is just to help the lashes from sticking to the tweezers. So I'm going to your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I. So this is it, guys. I fixed 5 pairs of lashes on both eyes. So I'm going to allow it to dry down, and I'll go over it with a mascara just to make it come out really nice. So I'm going to be going over to my lips. For my lips, I'm using different shades of red. These are the shades that I'm using. This is from the Luster, and this is shade red. This is from whence, tattoo tint, and this is a O2 Gala, and this is from Flawless Ivy, and this is in Pear. I'm going to swatch them so you see it. This is from the Luster, Foresco. This is from Flawless Ivy. See? So I'm going to go on top of that with tattoo tint. I know this looked really pretty, but just watch, guys. So once this dry down, I'm going to go ahead and apply the last shade. So this is it, guys. I love how this turned out. I like the vibe. I'm sure you guys like it as well. Let me know what you guys think about this lipstick hack down in the comment section. So we're going to be going over to our eyes. We're going to add mascara to our eyelash. See guys, see the difference. See? Now, see this part. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with Royal Makeup Setting Spray. So guys, this is it. I'm going to be going ahead to finish up and I'll be right back. So guys, here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this process with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this fresh glam makeup tutorial with me. Let me know what your most favorite part of this makeup tutorial is down in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one.